Are you looking for the best beard trimmers? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best beard trimmers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Philips Norco MultiGroom 7000. The Philips Norco MultiGroom 7000 is a versatile, all-in-one trimmer. It includes 5 attachments and 14 guards to achieve any desired style and length of beard trimming or full body grooming. Changing trimmer heads between the wide, normal, precision, nose and ear, or foil shaver is effortless and requires gentle pressure to release and replace. Unlike most other models we've tested, the 7000 does not require oiling, making it one of the most maintenance-free models available. Exceptional all-around performance, a high-quality stainless steel body, a comfortable grip, and the satisfying heft of a high-quality tool combined with an absurd 5+ hour battery life make this model stand out in a market saturated with some excellent trimmer options. While this is a great trimmer, it's not without some shortcomings. You are out of luck if you like to shave in the shower. Fortunately, it is washable, meaning you can rinse it off and easily clean attachments. Whether trying to achieve a stubble look, freshen up an old haircut, groom your entire body, or achieve the sharpest lines, the Philips Norco MultiGroom 7000 has got you covered. If your top priority is cutting power and you want something a little heftier, check out their Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. Number 2. Wahl LithiumIon All-in-One Grooming Kit. Their Wahl LithiumIon All-in-One Grooming Kit is a solid beard trimmer with the strength to handle larger tasks and the size and versatility to handle precision work. It includes 10 trimmer guards, a precision trimmer head, a double foil shaver, a standard trimmer head, and a wide trimmer head to offer enough versatility for nearly any grooming task. The largest standard width trimmer guard is also adjustable, offering even more versatility. Our testers generally liked the feel of the rubberized body of the trimmer, as it made it easy to grip. However, the textured rubber is a magnet for hair and dust, making it a pain to clean, as the model is not waterproof. Don't rinse it. The adjustable trimmer guard could be better, as it felt like it would break in our hands as we adjusted the small, clunky lever. As a dedicated beard trimmer, it's hard to beat this model, especially at this price. While other models were serious contenders that offered similar versatility at a comparable price, they could not compete with the strength of the cutting heads, the power, or the battery life of the Wahl LithiumIon All-in-One. If you are okay with sacrificing performance and are looking for an even less expensive model, the Philips Norco MultiGroom 3000 still performed pretty well across most metrics for half the price. Number 3. Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. Their Wahl Cordless Magic Clip is a real workhorse geared toward those who do serious beard trimming and hair cutting. With professionals in mind, Wahl designed the Magic Clip to last and built it like a tank in the style of its corded clippers. While it is weighty and larger than most trimmers, this model preserves an ergonomic design that is easy and comfortable to grip. While it is a rechargeable option, it has the familiar cutting power of Wahl's corded models and operates for nearly 2.5 hours on a full charge. The downtime to recharge the battery is only an hour, but it can also run while powered by the charging cable, so you'll never be unable to finish grooming. When it comes to more serious clipping and hair removal tasks, their Wahl Cordless Magic Clip is exceptional. However, it does not offer interchangeable heads for smaller precision work, lacks a foil shaver, and it doesn't include ear and nose hair trimming attachments. So using this beard trimmer for small details may be a little difficult. Drawbacks aside, their Wahl Cordless Magic Clip easily tackles big jobs and is best suited for those who want to skip out on going to the barber shop in favor of at-home hair maintenance. If you're shopping for a beard trimmer that offers more versatility, we recommend checking out the Braun 9"-1 trimmer. Not only does it tackle nose and ear hair, but it also includes a precision trimmer head. Number 4. Braun 9"-1 trimmer. For those who prefer to do their beard trimming and full body grooming in the shower, the Braun 9"-1 trimmer is your best option. 4 blade guards, including a number 1, a number 2, and 2 others with adjustable heights, are both easy to use and versatile. Unlike adjustable models from other brands, Braun's adjustable height system doesn't add bulkiness. This trimmer also comes with a nose and ear trimmer, precision trimmer head, and an innovative shaving attachment that trims and shaves, with 2 trimmer blades running the length of a large foil shaver. For those who are completely obsessed with baby smooth skin after shaving, Braun has also included a razor with 2 disposable blade heads. Our testers liked the Braun 9" -1 trimmer but felt some areas could use improvement. Most notably, the blade guard adjustment and the ergonomics. Blade guard adjustments are a challenging feature to integrate. Braun did a relatively good job, but the locking engagement of the blade guard height generally felt a bit insecure and should have a stronger, more tactile engagement of the height setting. Additionally, the ergonomics are strange, and individuals with larger hands may dislike the heavy taper of the body. But this criticism is minor. The Braun 9" -1 trimmer is an excellent option for those who prefer shaving in the shower and want a highly versatile face, head, and full body grooming solution. If you want a more comfortable ergonomic grip, their Wahl Cordless Magic Clip is a great model to look at.